here's everything that we are going to be using today. We're using a charger plate, paper plates, a cloth napkin. I just have one fork, but that's because I'm doing this for a church event, and that's all I have right now. And I just had this glass on hand. I thought it would look pretty. This is a napkin ring that I made. I will be posting a quick little DIY tutorial on it, and then we just have some paper napkins to go with it. These charger plates are from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.99. These do not go on sale. These are in their wedding section, and I asked the worker, and he said that if it has a your price sticker, that is the price. So these do not alternate during the week for a sale price, so they are $2 each. But I got this in the wedding section. I really liked the wood grain look of it. These floral plates are also from Hobby Lobby. I just picked them up. They were actually 75% off because when I went in, I didn't know at the time, but they were 75% off in here. But I really like the way that this has kind of a copper orange rim around it, and then all the florals in it. I thought it tied in really nicely with the centerpiece that I made. These napkins are also from Hobby Lobby. I got them last year, actually. They were on like 75% or 90% off. I don't remember, but they are a beautiful rust color. But if you can't find this color, I just want to show you that I also got these at Hobby Lobby. These actually go really nice with the plates as well. So if you can't find the exact color, these plates are really nice because you can really pull. Like a mustard yellow would look really nice, or even just like a cream napkin would look really pretty with it as well. These cups I had bought at Dollar Tree a long time ago. I think they're so cute. They're not, I mean, are you drinking wine out of them? Beer, soda? I don't know. You enjoy whatever beverage you would like. I just thought they were really cute, so I put them with the table. This napkin ring I made really quickly. The rings I got at Hobby Lobby. The ribbon I also got at Hobby Lobby, and then the little leaf embellishment I believe I got at Hobby Lobby too. I will post a DIY video of it, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I just made a quick bow. I hot glued it on there, and then I glued another one. But if you would like to see the little DIY of it, I'm sure I'll be posting that. But I just thought it would look so pretty with the napkin, and even with the sage color, it's beautiful. I love that. The napkins I got are also from Hobby Lobby. I guess you could make this whole tablescape from Hobby Lobby, apparently. But these were in their fall section. I just bought these. They were $3. But I love this plaid pattern. It's so beautiful, and I think it kind of adds a little bit of a masculine look. Like, I really love the way that the soft feminine look of the flowers pairs with the plaid, a little bit more masculine. Like, I think that's just a really pretty combo. The forks I'm using are also from Hobby Lobby. They are a gold color. These were in their regular party section, not their fall or holiday section. You get 20 with them, and I don't remember. I think I got them for 99 cents, but I'm not sure. I don't recall. But still, even $2, like I thought that was a good price, and I think they look really nice. So that's everything that I got. And then my tablecloth I bought off of Amazon probably. And then I do have a tutorial on how I made this garland. If you would like to see how I made it, you can watch that on my other channel, Wreath in Hand. Or if you would like, leave in the comments. I will gladly post it on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me know what you thought of this. if you have any questions. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving.